presenting the Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, tires, 265/60R 18 BSW ASLRR, STD, 3.45 rear axle ratio, STD, gross vehicle weight, 6,500 pounds, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches tech gray diamond cut, STD, quick order package 2BH included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic 850RE, and front license plate bracket. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.